Hi crafters, it's Hannah here and
Prudence
from HanCrafted Creations. Welcome to my channel today. Today we're going to be looking at the Share What You Love suite. So this is an exclusive bundle for every crafter and it will be available from the 1st of May to the 31st of May. So we're going to be looking at all the products and the different options there are for the bundles. So let's get started. Okay, so like I said, we're going to be looking at the Share What You Love bundle, and this bundle has been created for every different type of crafter, and it was Stampin' Up's way of, as it says, giving a tribute to all the wonderful people who have made the company what it is, and the company has been going 30 years now, so they wanted to make a special bundle to commemorate that. So this is the what's the word? Leaflet for that it will show you what the bundle is, but I do actually have the products as well, so I'll show you those two. Zoom out a little bit, there we go. So there are three options. There's the Just Getting Started bundle, a Little Bit More Please bundle, and then the Gotta Have It All bundle. So they go up in size, obviously, from the smallest up until you get the one that's got everything in.
Complete one, isn't it?
Yeah. So we'll start with the Just Getting Started bundle. This particular one is perfect if you haven't crafted before and if you're a beginner and you don't have the basics, because it has the basics in there. So the stamp set is the Love What You Do stamp set, which is that one. And then you'll also get some very vanilla cardstock, whoops, which is there. And then you'll also get one of the new in colours, grapefruit Grove.
Classic stamp pad.
And then you'll also get the old olive, but yours will be the nice new ink pads. This is the older one. When you get it, it will be the new ones like this. You'll also get a stamp block, which is an essential thing to have if you're a new crafter, in it, because you know chances are you might not have those. And then as a free gift, you'll also get the very vanilla note cards and envelopes. And I think you get, is it 20 or 40 note cards in a pack? I can't remember, but anyway, so you'll get that as a free gift to go with your bundle. So that's the first bundle, the Just Getting Started bundle. So you get all of this plus the free note cards and envelopes.
You're telling the price?
No. So for the A Little Bit More Please bundle, you'll get, we take away the block, because you don't have the block, and the old olive ink pad and the note cards and envelopes. So we're taking that out, and in this one you'll get this stamp set as well. You'll also get the Make a Difference stamp set, which is a really useful letter stamp set.
It's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gorgeous. So you've got these, the capitals, the lowercase, and then you've got this sort of block-ish writing, but then at the bottom you've got all the hand stamped by, from the desk of, www. To and from, and then the Stampin' Up what's the word, copyright stamp. So if you're selling your cards or whatever it is that you're making with Stampin' Up products, you need to put that on the back, so it's because obviously all the images are copyrighted. So as long as you've got that on there, then you can sell what you make.
It's authentic.
Yes, so that is useful. So you'll get that stamp set as well. You'll also get the ink pad. You'll get the Share What You Love cardstock, which we've got this in. We hadn't opened it yet, so it was like, we'll open it all with you guys, so you can see. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Why is it not zooming out? Okay, that's as far as it'll go. So You've got the Share What You Love cardstock. So you've got blackberry, rich raspberry, old olive,
is gorgeous colour.
The new grapefruit grove, and mint macaron, which is a returning colour, which is lovely. So you'll get that. You'll also get your vanilla cardstock as well. So you've got those, and you also get some of the new velvet ribbon, which is just lush. And I can't open this either. Where's the scissors?
I've got one already.
Oh well. So yeah, you'll get this new velvet ribbon, which is lovely. So you'll get that. You'll also get some of the new pearlised doilies, which are these. So one side is pearlised white, and then the other side is just plain white, so you could colour that in. But you've got the nice shiny pearlised doilies. And you'll also get the new Share What You Love artisan pearls. So let me open these. You can see it properly.
Oh, they're very pretty.
They're gorgeous, aren't they?
All the new colours.
Yes. Oh, one's come off. Bear with. Let me just stick that back. There you go. So, absolutely dinky little pearls, but they're so cute. So you'll get those as well. And then in this bundle, the free gifts that you will get is some very vanilla envelopes. The C6 size, so that's like the standard size envelope. I can't actually fit everything in the shot. And you'll also get, which is what Mom's really looking forward to opening up, whoops, that's what I'm doing, the Share What You Love embellishment kit. And I think I should let you open this one, Mom.
Definitely, when I can, pass me the scissors, please. Can't wait to see what it is.
So this embellishment kit is gorgeous. Careful of the box.
Get the thing off it first. No,
oh, come here. Let go. There we go. Okay. So, Share What You Love embellishments. So you
got twine.
You get 2 colours of twine. So one is like plain whisper white, and then the other one's got I think it's mint macaron running through it.
Whoa, those are nice. More embellishments. So, got some little paper clips.
Let's open them so they can't see them.
This is very pretty.
So, got these. Whoops. Gorgeous. Flowers focus.
They're a bit like hook and eye. That's the hook.
Hook and eye?
You put on clothes. Very nice.
Okay.
It does.
Yeah, so you've got the paper clips and then these pretty.
And they're sticky back as well.
Yes,
from the
they
looks
are.
of it,
They're sticky back. Pop those in. And then you also get these large labels and then the smaller ones, which I'm guessing the sentiments in the stamp set will fit on to those. So, and you've got the gorgeous box, which is just so pretty. I love it. So that's the A Little Bit More Please bundle. So you get all of this, and your free gifts are the embellishment kit and the envelopes. So then for the big bundle, they've got to have it all. You get all of this, plus there's an exclusive stamp set, which is the Statement of the Heart. So if you don't know what the Statement of the Heart is, it's Stampin' Up's statement basically that is sort of, it describes what we do as Stampin' Up demonstrators. So the statement of the heart, they've worded it slightly different because they've put we instead of you, because it's normally to love what you do, but they've worded it to love what we do and share what we love as we help others enjoy creativity and worthwhile accomplishments. In this we make a difference. So that's Stampin' Up statement of the heart. So in this bundle you're going to get this exclusive stamp set. Now you can only get this stamp set with this bundle. So after the 31st of May, from as far as we know, that this is what they've told us, you're not going to get this stamp set again. So this is a completely exclusive stamp set to this bundle. So if you want this stamp set, you need to get this bundle along with all this other stuff that you're going to get. So that's why we went for the gotta have it all bundle, because everyone really wanted this stamp set. So you'll get that as a free gift. That's a free gift. So you also get that free gift, and then you're also going to get the lovely floral dynamic textured impressions embossing folder. That's a mouthful. So that's what it's going to emboss, and the dynamic ones, they're the ones that do a deeper impression, so it's an even deeper emboss than the normal textured impressions embossing folders. So the dynamic ones are really, really deeply embossed. So you're going to get that in the bundle as well.
It's lovely to colour in as well, isn't it?
Can't wait to use that. And then last but not least, the Share What You Love designer series paper. Now we are going to open this so you can have a good look, because it is stunning. So it's a speciality designer series paper, which means there is foiling on there. I'm just trying to slice this open. Come on. So you're going to get foiling on there. So let's slide this open. So I'm not taking it all the way out. So I'll show you the one side. So you've got this gorgeous script paper here. Absolutely really bold colours. And you've got this lovely mint macaron. And then a nice floral design. And then this one. But then when we flip it over, you'll see the pearlised flowers on there. I mean, look at those. Aren't they just amazing? So all of these sides have got pearlised elements on them. Oh, that's so cute.
You think you're just going to want to use this side though, ain't it?
I know. Oh no, I lied. That side hasn't got any pearlisedness on it. I really like those lines. So this has got the pearlisedness on it.
Most of them.
Yeah. And that one has...
Oh, that's pretty.
I mean, just look at how nice. Then you've got this one.
That's not.
No, that one's not. You've got nice big patterns on there. And then you've got this design. I mean, that is just gorgeous. So, in this bundle you get 3 stamp sets, including your free one. Embossing folder, an ink pad, the designer series paper, the cardstock, the colour cardstock. You're going to get the very vanilla cardstock as well. Try and lay this so you can try and see it all. Hang on. Let's do that. So you'll get those. You get your 3 stamp sets and your thingy, your ink pad, your very vanilla envelopes, the velvet ribbon, the pearlised doilies, the embellishment kit. You get that free gift as well. So you've got those gorgeous flowers and the twine and the tags, and you get the new pearls. So that's everything you're going to get in the Gotta Have It All bundle. I can barely get it all into the shot so you can see how much is actually in this bundle. So, like I said, all of this is available from the 1st of May to the 31st of May. So whichever bundle you go for, that's when you can get it. So these products are going to be in the new catalogue, but they're not going to be in a bundle, so you're not going to get the bundle pricing on everything. It's just going to be the normal pricing. So excuse me. So if you want to get the bundle and get the best pricing, basically, you want all of these, then get the bundle. So if you want to have a look at this leaflet, I'm assuming we'll be able to order some of these so I can send them out. I haven't actually looked. If not, I'll put it on my blog so you can have a look at it on there. And if I can order it and send them out, then that information will be on my blog as well. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description that goes to it, and you'll have all the information will be there as well for you. And they're including like the 3 different bundles, so they're just getting started, the A Little Bit More Please, or the Gotta Have It All. And you can also pre-order the new in colours as a bundle and save 10% as well. So that's something new that they're offering to everybody, because they don't usually offer things like that to customers. It's normally just demonstrators that can pre-order. So they're actually extending some of the demonstrator perks out to everybody.
Extending the love.
Yeah, exactly. They're sharing the love. That's what they're doing, I'm guessing. So yeah, so that's the Share What You Love suite and the exclusive bundle. So yeah, if you have any questions about it, just leave me a comment or send me a message or drop me a text. My number's, you know, somewhere on my website if you want to text, that's fine as well. And thank you very much for joining us as we unbox this new bundle. Mum was very excited to do this. I was like, can we do a video? And she's kind of like, oh, I want to start playing with it all straight away. I'm like, no,
I had to wait 2 days.
Yeah, I made her wait so we could film it. So yeah, that's how much I love you guys. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.